Students of English literature, today our topic is short story number 3, The Lost Child, written by Mulkuraj Anand. Students, in this lecture 1 introductory lecture, that is in English version lecture, we will come to know about the writer and the story. Students, Mulkuraj Anand was one of the first Indian writers in English to gain an international readership. He was born in Peshawar in present-day Pakistan. He studied at Khalsa College, Amritsar and graduated with honours in 1924. He moved to England and there he attended the Cambridge University. He earned a PhD in philosophy in 1929. Students, he was among the first writers to incorporate Punjabi and Hindustani idioms into English. He is known as India's Charles Dickens. Other than this, students, let's begin the synopsis of this story. A thrilled boy, that is the main character of this story, that is known as Lost Child. A thrilled boy was going to village fair with his parents. The child was full of joy and excitement. He was full of enthusiasm. In his exuberance, the boy demanded all sorts of things from his parents. Toys, sweets, flowers, balloons, rides, the show of juggler. Students, but to his disappointment, his parents paid no attention to the child's desires. The boy was quite frustrated as he was denied everything he wanted. But after some time, he stopped asking his parents since he knew his request would be refused, as he had already experienced. Suddenly, the boy saw a roundabout. He wanted a ride. He summoned up his courage to ask his father and mother. He got no reply. He turned around and did not see his parents. He searched for them, but he could not find them. He was in a panic stricken, when he realized that he was lost and he was not able to see his parents, his father and mother, and he was trying to find them in the crowd. A kind man heard the child's desperate cries for his parents. He took pity on the child and tried to console him. The man lifted the child in his arms and saved from the crowd and tried to help him search for his parents. Students, but the scene was totally different now. As the boy was crying bitterly, the man offered the boy all those things he desired a few moments ago. But now his taste was changed. All these things became insignificant for the child. These things were very important a short while ago. He constantly went on crying, and he was repeating the sentence, I want my mother, I want my father. Till then, the boy had taken his parents for granted. It is only when they were lost that the child realized his importance of his parents in his life. Now he understood that parents are extremely important before anything. He found out that his parents were most valuable thing in life in comparison to anything. And students, this is the end of this story. I hope you have gone through this synopsis and you have understand this story in short. Students, thanks.